Kajing job jong wei na kisamla ka them riphoi ha karansan kilan med ne ka lumpung ile kai yoga ublai shimbanta ha ka senior boys category but yo ban khori ka takma rupa silver medal ha ka individual traditional event kabla penlong ya kinong yalam ka riphoi district yoga sana sports association RBYDSA ban punkup buram ya u kitai kinong yalam ka RBYDSA bakenthum ya ka district organizing secretary ka samla Babylon Lingdo, District Treasurer Samla Alfred Doloy, District Secretary Ubirju Singh, kilapun ko buram hakalai puai terik unaitung hajar penrio, yautei urang kilan med usamla Jackson Dingdo, ubala kentiu ya kanam jong ka district. Katai gelumpung kilan med latip kum ka 6 State Yoga Sana Sports Championship, kabala long hakatikri kila West Garo Hills District, but na Ribhoi District kan long kasin baningkong banli isim benta hadien kalumpung balatip kum ka first District Yoga Sana Sports Championship hajar penrio, but na padang kinong kilan men lajit khat sangut kibawan syakman banli isim benta syaka lumpung kajela hatikri kila kabau samla Jackson Dingdo ulakhur ya kakerdan kabaar. Dagane ka jingjob Jackson Dingdo on sami khmat ya jella Meghalaya ha national level yoga sana sports championship ha kisngi bansawan. Ka RBYDSA ka kitbok kitriang yu Jackson Dingdo kumurang ubat job ha state level bo unnang la banila kai bha shushu ha kirensan ki bakham shanang bat banwanra ya ka nam ka buram ya ka district badi ka jella Meghalaya hi bro ka wei na ka te kirensan national level ka bashan on salej ban yakun.
Of three of our very capable, eligible, and very six of our very capable, intelligent, talented students who have shown dedication, hard work in winning these prizes. I think we will get to know about what have they achieved in this field and in this forum. And on behalf of the college, on behalf of my colleagues, and on behalf of our entire staff, I would like to congratulate our dear students. Thank you for bringing this honor to the college. Thank you so much for the hard work and the dedication that you've invested, for all the efforts that you have put in bringing these laurels to the college, and for your own personal achievement as well. So we are really honored. We are really deeply honored by your achievements, and we are proud of you, and we will continue to support you in everything that you do in the future also. And I encourage all young students who are here as audience also, that they also learn something from today, and I believe that this participation will not stop here, but it will continue in every batch of every Balawat student from here onwards. So yes, thank you.
All the established living LFG Pegi Sukman Pat wa Ito Lata Liba district level championship Yayo San athletes so Sarabu wa event athletes silver medal Mr. Jackson congrats ketika wala ibig from Ribhoi district Ribhoi Kunjur college Ribhoi district agak ni juga kat sini sangat athletes buat di financial assistance sebagai uplift ya di samla di betul interest ya yoga buat tiba di samla Jackson tadi Senior Boys di bawah yo second prize silver medal additional yoga sana fit saya balik bagi sebentar lebih fokus dalam di dengan musim tahan yang kuat dengan ketahan di buat dan musim dengan ini action bagi nang yang itu direksi penuan kene sedang buat di district bagi permit at least bagi sedang riak semat di dalam school bakal tapi semula kita kalau di district but the spirit of sports practice jadi possible bakal yoga tentang sports club apa dia ya tentang kita